harder than wood. The secret of Katsuobushi explained. This is Katsuobushi. It is often described as the hardest food in the world, harder than wood, and yet, from this single ingredient, we create one of the most delicate flavors in Japanese cuisine. Today, I'd like to explore how Katsuobushi came to be. Chapter 1 Origins. More than 1500 years ago, Bonito already had a special place in Japan. Historical records show it was offered to the gods alongside rice, sake, and salt. At that time, people prepared a rich extract by simmering dried bonito. This can be seen as an early form of what we now call dashi. In a humid climate like Japan, finding ways to preserve and concentrate flavor was essential. Chapter 2 Development. As time passed, bonito processing evolved. During the medieval period, food needed to be preserved for longer periods, so techniques developed: drying, smoking, and gradually hardening. The outside became firm and protective, while the inside retained its concentrated flavor. At this stage, Katsuobushi was becoming both a preserved food and a source of deep umami. Chapter 3 External Influence. Interestingly, this evolution was not isolated. Techniques for smoking and drying fish are believed to have come from Southeast Asia through trade with the Ryukyu Kingdom. Local methods combined with imported knowledge, gradually shaping what would become Katsuobushi. Chapter 4 Refinement. The defining step came later. Artisans introduced the process of controlled fermentation, allowing beneficial mold to grow on the surface. This process removes moisture even further, while refining aroma and flavor. Repeated over time, this creates a product that is incredibly hard, yet highly aromatic. When shaved, Katsuobushi transformed completely from something solid and dense to incredibly thin flakes. It is a remarkable transformation achieved through time, technique, and patience. Katsuobushi is more than an ingredient. It reflects a long history of refining flavor and a deep respect for nature. If you enjoyed this exploration, please consider subscribing. Have a flavorful day.